I'm harvesting all of my Blanc du Bois grapes right now. Either through my distractions or just the cat last year protected these. Something is going on this year where things are getting into them. I've killed, let's say, I've trapped squirrels, possums, rats. Take your pick of which one is responsible here, but they're also dropping on the floor easily when I touch them. So either way, I'd rather not pick these now, but I feel like I have to. Isn't that ideal? I'd rather leave them on the vine for a little while, but something is getting to them, and so this year might be a little smaller of a harvest than I anticipated with all the new growth. And I just had a lot going on, so wasn't as diligent. But I'll have some. I'll have a white batch. I'll have a batch of white wine this year. It just might be less. Camminare Noir. I'm sorry, but these are some ugly grapes. I will make something of them, but after my third year here, these are hard to look at.
It petered out.
It petered out.
It died on the vine.
It died on the vine.
Pretty good flavor though. Alright, I'm back from my annual vacation and I'm taking the black Spanish. Most of them are okay. Some of them are maybe a little overripe. That's alright. I got a few in here that have some green on them. So maybe I'll wait a few days for those, but I'm starting to pick these. And yeah, maybe a little late for some, just on time for others. But I don't know, I got about 15 clusters of them. Not bad. Hey, I got more than 15. I forgot that I had this lower tier, which has at least, whoa gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more clusters. So not bad, not bad. A little more than last year. Black Spanish.